Welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-scan Facebook group members. First, open the MKT UID software and go to Groups Scanning feature and choose Scan Group Members. Then choose account you use to scan groups members. Next step, set some configuration. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. After that, type the UID of groups you want to scan members. For example, I will scan this group's members by copy the UID and paste into the software. Next, you can set number of members you want to scan per here. Finally, click Start. The software will auto go to the group you have typed and scan numbers of the members you want. Very easy, right? After scanning done, you can export into Excel file to manage all the members with full of information like groups UID, members name, gender, and profile link. This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Facebook. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.